In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twitch account to Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Twitch has drops and rewards available for Minecraft periodically. So for example, at this current moment, they have this focus retention helmet, which you can get by watching 5 minutes of any eligible streamer on the platform, and also these paint wings that you can get by purchasing a subscription. A lot of people are curious on if you are able to directly link your Microsoft or Minecraft account to earn these rewards. If you go over to the Twitch settings, so you click on your name, you go to settings, and then you access the connections category here, you will notice that on this list, there won't be anything related to Microsoft or Minecraft. Basically, you won't be able to directly link both of your accounts together. So if that's all you wanted to do, and that's the only question you were seeking, then there's your answer. It is impossible to directly connect or link Twitch to Minecraft or to Microsoft. However, if you want to get the drops, you don't have to link both accounts together. When you watch a streamer for long enough, or you do the required task, for example, gifting a subscription, you will receive the reward, and it is going to appear on this notification icon here. As you can see, I have this code, but I already redeemed it. And all that you have to do now is copy this code and go to minecraft.net/redeem. So there is no need for you to actually link the account. Once you have the code available from the promotion that is ongoing, you just copy this code here and you input it into this page. In here, you sign into your Microsoft account, and after you paste the redemption code, it is going to be directly connected to your account, and essentially you will get the reward. So Twitch doesn't have an option to establish a connection with your Minecraft account, but you don't need to, because it's as simple as getting the code from doing the drop or rewards campaign and then just redeeming it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Twitch account to Minecraft. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.